Testing English course, where preparation meets performance.
Can you do it again?
No.
Almost there, but more on the stress. On the word O. Please stress more.
No.
Wait, can you make the O become A?
No. No.
Now. Okay. That's actually right. Now. So that's the pronunciation. Now, meaning at the present time, or on progress. So we say now. Now I need to go, for example. Now I'm living by everyone. That's the thing, right? So what about the second word? We have the word, this one. Can you pronounce it before I give you the pronunciation?
No. No. No.
Now. Now is actually the first one, Miss Evina.
No.
No. Oke, biasa aja dia ya. No yang ini. Nah.
No.
No. I know it. Nah. Kalau lanjut sedikit lagi di third word.
No.
No. Nah, di sini nih ada sedikit A, O, U yang terdengar aneh sedikit di sini ya. Not for me, not for me, no. 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 Jadi no, no. Like this one.
No. Okay.
No. Yeah. I know. I know. No. I know. No. And now.
Now.
So this one. Now. No. No.
Now. No. No.
Okay. No, not for me. I'm sorry. Not for me today. Right.
Yeah.
So that's the thing. Good to know that. And I hope you can practice these 3 words later on Google Translate, or on Google you can search now, no, no, for example. Okay.
Now. No. No.
Yeah. Now, no, no. No. No, thank you. Right, that. Okay. And also the next pronunciation is that this one. Can you differentiate this pronunciation, Miss Evina? This pronunciation.
Think.
Yeah.
Think.
Okay. We have the NK at the end of the word think. So think, Mr. Think. Right? So Miss Evina, think, for example. But this one is like think. Yeah, thing. Yeah, so this one think, and this one is thing. Almost there, but even hard for me to differentiate. Think and thing. Yeah.
Think.
Right.
Okay.
And thing. Yeah, I have something. Right. I have something for you, Miss Evina. Surprise, for example. Right. So that's the thing. And the next we have think. What I think is that I wanted to visit some people in Bandung, for example, in Jogja or something, right? So I wanted to visit Miss Evina in Gersik. So I think I am going to do lots of activity in Gersik. So that's the thing. So that's the thing, right? That's the thing. Itulah halnya. Okay.
Okay.
Lanjut sedikit ke bagian selanjutnya. Okay, we're ready to proceed. Okay, right. Are you going to, if you are given a chance to go outside of your room, or to live somewhere, Miss Evina, not in your locations, where the city would be? What city and where is it?
My plan. I will go there.
Yeah, if you're given a chance, which means kalau kamu diberi suatu kesempatan. If you are given a chance or chance in some pronunciation, kita punya chance dari British dan kita punya chance dari Amerika. Jadi Miss Evina terserah mau bilang I have several chances or I have several chances. Jadi dua-duanya diterima. Oke?
Chance.
Ya, chance. Sama dengan kata can and can't. Okay. I'm sorry, I can't take that. I can't take that. Itu British. Kalau I can't take that, itu American.
Kalau ini Kak, kan sama kayak ada apa T-nya gitu. Kan
Alright.
hampir mirip.
Let's practice. Bagus, pertanyaannya bagus karena itu memang sering banget terdengar hampir sama. Benar ya, Miss Evina?
Iya.
Nah, Miss Evina pastikan kalau yang can ini agak sedikit aneh memang terdengarnya. Ini can, yang ini can. I can do that for you. Nah, yang ini I can't do that for you. Can't. Jadi kayak can't gitu. Iya benar, serius kalau Miss Evina cek benar-benar dan pelajari.
Gitu.
Jadi kayak ada can't. I'm sorry, I can't. Jadi I can. Nah, ini positif. Jadi dari konteks kita bisa lihat ya, ketika orang bilang I'm sorry, I can't take that. Yang berarti dia nggak bisa ngambil jadwal itu gitu.
I can.
Kalau dia bilang, oh my pleasure, I can go. I can go. Nah, positif terdengar ya kan? Jadi bahasa Inggris itu kontekstual. Kadang tidak bisa dibedakan secara detail, tapi kalau ditanya dua kata ini, the first one is can, the second one is can't. I
Can.
can, I can't. Oh.
Tapi
Atau
misal
mau pakai
kita,
yang silakan apa Miss Evina?
kalau
Sorry.
kitanya bilangnya kalau cannot gitu, misal kita
Boleh, boleh. Ya, I can do that, I cannot do that. I'm sorry. Ya, you can say cannot. Atau mau pakai yang British biar terdengar seperti bedanya jauh gitu Miss Evina. Misalnya, I can take that for you. I can't. Jadi I can't itu bisa di British.
I
You can say
can't.
I can't. Ya, I'm sorry, I can't. Ya,
I
I can't.
can't.
Not.
Okay, I can't.
Kayak ini ya, kayak apa namanya? Kayak tertekan gitu hidupnya ketika bilang I can't. Okay. Right. So thank you so much for your questions. So yeah, still the same questions. If you are given a chance to choose one city to live in, do you have any idea like which city and why?
In the
In anywhere in the world, you can say in Milan, for example, or in the UK, London, or in Russia. We don't know Russia. We have lots of places in Russia. Russia is more on a country.
I will choose in the Saint Maurice in the Swiss because
Okay, Samory.
because recently I look in the many people to visit the Saint Maurice and the fancy like so fancy.
Oh, okay. It's so fancy from your point of view. Is that right, Miss Savina?
My
Your point of view, your perspectives.
perspective.
Perspectives. Point of view, perspective, your look from the way you look city is that summaries offer more on luxury life. Is that, Miss Savina?
Yes,
Okay, so everything seems fancy
expensive lifestyle.
or expensive lifestyle and also fancy, right,
Yeah,
Miss Savina?
yes.
So that is why you wanted to live there.
Because the snow and many activity like ski.
Oh, skiing. Okay, got it. Any other reasons besides skiing? Skiing.
Ski.
Yeah, skiing. Yeah, selain skiing, is there any other activities that you probably observing how samurais look?
The gondola, like
Gondola.
right? Apa?
What is that? In
Itu
Indonesian
loh.
we have Ferris wheels. Is that
Iya,
no?
itu loh nyebrang. Apa yang tinggi itu loh?
Oh, the car. The car line. Do we say car line?
Yeah,
Uh, like the
like that.
car line, the line that connect
Yeah, connector.
the line that connect people from one place to another place, but using the flying car line. Is
Yeah,
that?
yeah, yeah.
Oh, got it, Ravina. Even I have never used or I have no experience using that or doing that, and I believe it's quite hard for me as well
Okay.
to discuss. Yeah, thank you. And do we have another? We have number 4. If you could live anywhere in the world, of course, this is more on the country, Miss Evina. Last time I asked you about the city. If you could live anywhere in the world beside Switzerland,
Mm.
do you have any other country to visit, Miss Evina?
The visit in my hometown in Banyuwangi. Banyuwangi in the East Java.
East Java. Okay,
Yeah.
East Java, Banyuwangi. So why do you want to go to Banyuwangi, Miss Evina?
Because I feel in the Banyuwangi like the apa vibes.
The vibes?
so peacefully and
Slow living pace as well,
yeah, slow
right?
living.
Uh-huh.
And the people, I love it.
Oh, you love the people. Maybe they are very nice,
Yeah,
welcoming as well.
yeah.
Good, welcoming, nice, and do they? Okay, I don't know, but the people in Banyuwangi, but
The
I have
people and the culture.
and the culture. Okay, you like the culture because of any other
Because in the Banyuwangi, the most of people, the agama itu apa, Kak?
religion?
Religion Hindu. Because I love like uh, melihat adat itu.
So you like to see
Mm.
that culture. So more on a religious culture, right?
And yeah,
Religious culture. Okay, you got the word. We're gonna go with the religious culture.
religious.
Yeah, this culture. Yep,
Religious culture.
which means
Culture.
budaya keagamaan. Then we have
Okay.
to, right?
Mm.
Okay, this one. So that's nice. Okay. So have you ever visited any other places in Banyuwangi? For example, are you more on mountains or beaches, Miss Evina?
The both, the mountain and the beaches.
So you are in the middle. So you can go to the mountain. You like mountain, no more than beaches. But if people want you to go to visit some beaches, you also feel free and happy to do that.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's nice. So have you ever visited the Kawah Ijen?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, of
Kawah
course.
Ijen. Yeah, I visited there. I mean, visit Kawah Ijen. I believe 5 years ago. I don't know,
Oh,
6 years, 7 years ago. I
yeah.
saw the blue fire, but the the smoke of that sulfur things, and I think that was completely annoying for my nose. So
Mm.
they give me the protection mask for breathing,
Mm.
and finally I can see, or I could see at that time, the blue fire, and I enjoyed that a lot because at that time the temperature was under I believe under 10 degrees Celsius, and
Yeah.
really really cold. I don't know now, Miss Evina, is it still cold?
Yeah, yes. Still cold.
Still cold. Okay, that's great.
I visited
So
the 3 years ago.
3 years ago, and that was still cold.
And I I don't get blue fire,
Oh, you don't? Okay, you didn't see the blue fire, right?
but still
So,
beautiful.
but still beautiful. So you enjoyed the view. Did you see the what we call that? There is a specific word for that. Let me just find the word. Wait a minute. Did you see the valley? The valley lake? Valley means
The
kawah.
valley.
Yeah, the valley. Kawah atau apa sih namanya Kawah Ijen, right? So we
Yeah.
call that the valley lake is danau. Nah, bahasa Indonesia susah
Ah,
banget. Danau di kawah itu gitu, Miss Evina.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, what was the color?
A blue.
Blue, yeah, blue, green,
Blue.
and a
Yeah.
mixture of some other colors. Sometimes
Yeah.
I see at the edge of the lake there is also pink color, Miss Evina,
Huh?
and some other
Oh.
colors. I believe so. Yes. All right, that's nice. So besides Kawahijan, is there any other places in Banyuwangi that you would recommend people to go?
For the love the beaches, I recommended the Teluk Hijau or
The
the
Bay, we call
Red
that Bay.
Island Bay,
Green Bay.
Green Bay, Green
Mm-hmm.
Bay or the Red Island. It's
The Red
most
Eye. Ooh. They
famous.
do. Oh yeah, most of Banyuwangi's places, I believe, they offer more on color, right? They
Yeah,
like more on color, green,
mm,
red, and they name it because maybe from the word Banyuwangi, it's actually fragrant water. Is that right? We can
yeah,
smell
yeah.
the water, so that's why it's called Banyu, which means water,
Water.
and Wangi, which means the sand or the fragrance.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Kalau kita bilang
Yeah.
the smell itu agak negatif ya, secara budaya. Kita bisa bilang the smell, aku suka baunya. Nah, tapi bau di sini bukan smell. Kita punya scent,
Scent.
S-C-E-N-T,
Yeah.
right? Scent,
Yeah.
yang artinya bau juga, tapi lebih ke bau yang comfortable, ya, yang lebih enak gitu.
Sense.
Kalau kita
Okay.
bilang the smell, secara budaya orang Amerika atau Inggris akan bilang, oke, berarti baunya bau yang negatif gitu. Kalau kita bilang the smell.
That. Okay.
Did you smell what I smell? Nah, apakah
Hmm.
kamu mencium apa yang aku cium? Berarti satu hal, dia akan ngomongin hal negatif setelah itu. Nah, tapi
Right.
kalau dia bilang, I like the scent, I like the fragrance. Nah, saya suka wangi
Itu
hotelnya.
good.
Ya,
In
apa sih? Aroma ya?
yeah, aroma.
Aroma. And do we have aroma in English? We don't have the word aroma. Aroma is Indonesian language, I believe. Ya, good. Nice. Di sini bisa improve juga, Miss Evina. Bagus untuk kriteria target WHV udah sangat bagus. Justru speaking kayak gini. Coba sekali lagi. Kita next ke topik part 1 ya. Masih agak lama di part 1. Harusnya sebentar doang di sini. Wait a minute. Let's go with talking about the weather. So in Karimun Jawa, it's unpredictable. Sometimes I said the weather podcast told me that today there will be no rain at 2 or something. And since morning until now, it's actually raining. And
Yeah,
the weather forecast,
the
from
same.
BMK, BMKG, and I think
MKG.
yeah, not representing the exact situations and the phenomena. And that's why they call that forecast. Karena forecast itu projection, ya kan? Suatu ramalan. Jadi kalau salah, ya nggak boleh dituntut dong karena ramalan. That's right, Miss Elvina.
Karimun Jawa di mananya, Kak?
Karimun Jawa di Karimunnya.
Di
Jadi
Karimun, maksudnya di tengah kota apa
Pulau
di
Karimun.
pantai gitu?
Oh, oke. Kalau sekarang lagi di Bukit Love namanya. Jadi di atas gitu, di bawah. The view is completely nice actually.
Wow,
Devina. So that's why I like to work from anywhere, so I can
wow.
bring laptops. I asked you to go with the class earlier because they told me that they're gonna close at 9, and I was thinking maybe before that I have some time to enjoy, right?
Okay.
So yeah, do you want to visit Karimun Jawa one day, Miss Evina, if you have a chance to go?
Of course, of course.
Very beautiful, very beautiful. Yeah.
Kayaknya, tapi aku tuh kayak ada pernah dengar Karimun Jawa itu banyak sampahnya gitu pantainya. Emang iya ya?
Oke, betul. Kalau yang beberapa pantai yang dekat dengan pemukiman, ya nggak kayak di Aceh ya. Di Aceh meskipun pemukiman, mereka bersih.
Oke.
Nah, kalau di Jawa beberapa tempat di depan sana memang kotor. Jujur ya, aku ngomong jujur. Nah, tapi kalau yang misalnya ya di Bobby Beach, di sini ada Bobby, I believe. Bobby lumayan bersih, meskipun ada paling ya plastik 1-2. Maka mereka ada maintenance mungkin orang-orang yang bekerja di situ.
Kayak di
Dan
pulau-pulau gitu yang bersih.
ya, kalau pulau-pulaunya yang sana bersih. Nah, kalau di Pulau Karimunnya karena memang di sini adalah residency, maksudnya residence, dan aku believe apaan sih? I believe that this is already clean, Miss Evina, clean. Nah, jadi untuk kriteria tempat residence, mereka juga bilang kalau puntung rokok nggak boleh dibuang sembarangan gitu. Kelihatan ya kalau misalnya ngerokok gitu kan sembarangan bukan nggak enak ya untuk eco friendly gitu, atau mungkin kalau mereka menerapkan ekowisata, jadi
Strict berarti ya.
lumayan strict karena untuk jangka panjang, right, Miss Sabina?
The good.
Ditekankan hal-hal seperti itu, I believe. Right. So okay, now we're gonna talk about the weather, Miss Sabina. Of course, we have lots. Okay. Of course, we have a lot of weather conditions in your place as well. Is it raining there now, Miss Evina, or just only not really loud rain or something?
Gimana, Kak?
In Gersik, I was questions. Is it raining there now?
Today, not raining.
Okay, there is no raining. Okay, right. So maybe I'm going to ask you with the first questions about the season. In Indonesia, we have 2 main seasons, but we have some temperatures in the season. So the first question is, what is your favorite season of the year? Miss Evina, and why?
Because I'm Indonesia, just 2 season.
Mhm.
My favorite is the summer
So summer.
because I cannot feel cold.
Okay. You don't like cold.
Yeah, I don't like.
Okay, you don't like cold, so that's why you prefer summer more than the cold weather
Yeah.
or cold season or rainy season, right?
Mm.
So, but some people say it will be so much fun if it is raining. Do you agree or disagree with that, Miss Evina?
Can you repeat the question?
Yes, of course. Thank you very much for doing that. If you don't understand, just say, "Can you repeat the question?" Okay, that's good. So, some people say it is actually fun to go with the rainy season instead of the hot season.
Oh,
Yeah. And do you agree or disagree with this statement, Miss Evelyn?
disagree. In my opinion, raining is the for me messy.
Okay.
Not
Okay. So messy in terms of what? In terms of like do you don't it makes you feel don't want to do anything or mager. We have that in Indonesian language. Or you also feel during the raining season. Can you tell me what is happening with you during the raining season?
raining season.
Yeah.
Banyak kenangan. Itu apa, Kak?
Oh, banyak kenangan lagi. Okay, many memories. We can say memories. We can also say bitter and sweet memories. So
Okay.
yeah, like Adele's song, we do have Adele's song "Bitter Sweet Memories," which
Mm.
means memory yang bitter, also memory yang sweet. So bitter means memory yang bad memory and a good memory,
Oh,
tapi mereka nggak bilang bad dengan good juga ya. Mereka bilangnya bitter and sweet. Nah, jadi yang
bitter
pahit
or apa,
dan yang
Kak?
bitter and sweet. Sweet
Bitter
manis.
and sweet. Okay.
Nah, bitter artinya pahit,
Mm.
sweet artinya manis. Okay, we call this one memories. Nah, jadi okay, tell me more about the memories. Miss Evina, when you feel when it's raining outside, too many my spelling. Bentar, spelling harus dibenarin.
Memorize.
Memories like this. Yeah, memories, I believe. Memories, yeah. Then can you tell me when it is raining outside? So sometimes what kinds of bitter memory that you remember and what kinds of sweet memories that you remember, Miss Evina?
If the raining season.
Yeah. As you said, so many memories, right? Many memories.
Okay.
Banyak kenangan.
Kenangan, Kak, kenangan.
Okay. Oh my God. I thought it was see the pronunciation Indonesian language, of course. So that's why I said, why this person call it like memories? So it's actually the water, right?
Yeah.
All right. So
Becek.
say the water. So water is everywhere.
Yeah, water is everywhere.
Is it also flooding there, Miss?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, questions actually. Is it also flooding there? Flood.
Flooding.
Yeah, flood. Flood. This one? Flood?
Yeah.
Yeah. When it's raining too loud outside, sometimes we experience flooding. So
Flooding
flooding
artinya apa
is
flooding?
banjir.
Oh, banjir. I'm
Ain itu
I
artinya
never I
you
never I
okay.
never to feel flooded, but I
Okay.
had
In
if water everywhere.
okay, water everywhere, but not really flooded, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Every part of the let's say island or the city is wet. There are some waters, or let's say there is some water on the road, and it can be called flood, but not really flooding, only the water,
Mhm.
right? Miss
Yeah.
Evelina? Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
And the next we have what yeah, we have another way to say is that if the rain comes, we do have water. We do have water. See, it's sometimes flooded, it's sometimes not. Okay, in Gersik, for example, in your house, within
Yeah,
some
my
years of
house.
living, yeah, you've been like living years, yeah, counting years in your house. Can you tell me, have you ever experienced flooding?
I never
Flood-
feel flooded in my house.
Okay.
I live in this house maybe in the 12 years. I don't feel flooded.
Okay.
I
I don't feel flooded. Saya
yeah,
tidak merasa kebanjiran.
tidak.
Bisa.
Iya, benar Kak?
Atau lebih tepatnya kita bisa nyatainnya dalam bentuk I have never experienced.
Ya,
Nah,
I have never.
artinya saya tidak pernah mengalami kebanjiran. Karena kalau merasakan kebanjiran bisa aja, tapi secara kultural mereka nggak pernah ngomong kayak gitu, Miss Evina.
Iya,
Uh,
iya, iya.
punya experience. Jadi biasa dia nanya, Aslam, have you experienced diving?
Okay.
Atau have you ever have you ever done diving? Nah kayak gitu. Jadi mereka lebih ke situ cara nyatain. Okay, good. I can understand you 100%. And I think, why are you smiling?
Kenangan.
Yeah, I still actually remember about that. When you say genangan, it's also near to the pronunciation of kenangan. And that is the failure of Indonesian pronunciation. But kita pakai bahasa Inggris yang penyebutannya hampir sama. Nah, di sini sudah jadi contoh yang sangat apa ya? Sangat real. Ketika orang menyebutkan genangan,
Iya, iya.
some people will hear it as kenangan. Dan itulah apa ya? Kedaya tangkap saya waktu itu saya pikir kenangan, because some people say when the rain comes, I do have lots of memories. Can be bitter, can be sweet. Tapi di sini justru genangan, right? Okay, that's great, Miss Evina. It's actually funny. You can laugh. I want to laugh as well. Oh my God. All right, next question. Number 3. I'm going to skip the number 1 and the number 2. We're gonna jump directly to number 3.
Okay.
So, what do you like to do on Sunday? On a sunny day, Miss Evina.
Sunny day.
Sunny day. For example, the morning sunny day. What would you like to do?
I like doing sunny itu berarti kayak summer gitu, ya Kak?
Yeah, sunny when the sun shines, like not really hot, and yeah, you can enjoy the weather. So it can be
Cerah.
cold. Cerah, but not hot, of course.
I like doing, even I have energy, I doing going out with my friends.
Okay. So when you have the energy, could you please tell me more about what do you mean by that?
If I don't have energy, just stay at home.
Okay. So it depends on your conditions, right, Miss
Okay.
Sabrina?
Okay.
If you are good to go with the energy and enthusiasm and you want to go, but if you don't like to go and you feel tired already because of work, you don't want to join them. Okay, right. Okay, next, maybe another questions following up this sessions is that, do you work or are you a student, Miss Savina?
Right now?
Yeah, do you work or are you a student right now?
Actually, I doing the both.
Okay, you do both.
And student.
Yeah, you work. Students. All right. So, can you tell me what field of work are you in right now?
Sorry?
It's 20 hours.
What field of work are you in right now? What are you working on?
What?
Or what is your occupation, in a simple way of saying? Karena mengapa saya coba bolak-balikan pertanyaannya, Miss Evina? Understanding seseorang ketika kita bilang kerjaannya apa. Nah, itu kan biasa ya terdengar. Nah, saya coba cara yang selain itu, ekspresinya yang saya tanyain adalah, apa sih yang Miss Evina lakukan selama ini di pekerjaannya? Nah, itu kan sebenarnya sama aja dengan what is your job gitu. Ya kan, Miss Evina? What are your responsibilities in the job? Yeah, in the work, right? So could you please tell me, what have you been doing so far in your job? Activities, of course.
In the job, I doing I become the accounting.
Account. Accountant. You become the accountant, but you don't become the accounting because you are the person, right? Miss Evina?
Okay. Oh, accounting the ini.
Accounting is the process of counting.
Okay.
So, like bookkeeping, that is
Mhm.
counting as well. And accountant is the person.
Okay.
I,
The job I become the accountant.
Mhm.
So usually I use the calculator.
That's
I
nice.
I use Excel. The sometimes
Mhm.
I used to, and of course I meet the
Yeah, I will
number.
let you
The
speak.
number.
Oh, okay. So you meet the number?
Maksudnya angka terus.
Oh, okay. You always meet. Okay, you can say I always meet numeric or something like numbers.
Numeric.
Yeah. Are you good at working with numbers, Miss Elvina? Are you good at working with numbers? That
Yeah,
is
yeah.
question. So why are you good at working with numbers? Can you tell me more? Like, because I was born to work with numbers, for example. I was born to work with English, for example. Teaching is my superpower. For example, that's the way how we exaggerating something. Melebih-lebihkan ya. Jadi kayak mengajar adalah passion saya. Gitu ya. Sangat diplomatik kan. Ternyata ke apa namanya ekspektasi orang nggak semuanya sama gitu tentang orang ini. Kalau Miss Evina, ketika Miss Evina bilang, wah ya saya bagus terkait hal-hal yang berkaitan dengan numerical things. Or maybe can you tell me why are you so much confident that you are good to work with numbers, Miss Evina?
I feel
You're
I
the only
don't
person
I
in
don't
the world.
every enjoy apa Kak?
Oh, okay. All right, right. You don't really enjoy. That's nice.
I don't really enjoy the every time I meet an Amharic, but sometimes I feel happy, but because the accountant even
Yeah, go on. I like that. I mean, develop more ideas.
not balanced.
Oh, okay. When you find that is balance, for example, do you feel happy?
Yeah,
Okay, there is a satisfactory activity after you have your own satisfactions when it is actually balanced.
yeah.
What would you? Mhm.
That's
Yeah.
my achievement.
Oh, that is the achievement. Okay, can you tell me what will you do if it is not balanced, Miss Vina? If it is not balanced. Mm.
I find and searching and research my file.
Okay. So does that help you, or did that help you by searching and finding your files? Oh, I got it. So you try to find the mistakes,
Yeah,
which
attract.
okay, you address them
Checking.
and recount that again, Miss Evina.
Yeah, of
Okay.
course.
So how long so far? What is the longest time for you to recall again, to recount again, and to come back again with the balance? Can you tell me how long? Like the longest time you've been doing so far?
Sometimes 2 days.
2 days.
Sometimes for the 1 hours.
That is crazy. Like 2 days is the longest time for you to find a balance. And sometimes
Yeah.
it's just only work 2 hours. Okay. So the shortest time will be 2 hours.
Yeah.
Okay. That's great. Thank you. So when people ask you about your work, you are able to talk about that. And that is great. From my side, I can say that is great. Okay. All right. We're gonna go with the part two a little bit. Miss Afina. And for the part two, we're gonna go with the special occasions. So the word occasion, special events. Okay, when we say Hello, everyone. We have a special occasion today in Karimun Jawa, for example, in Gersik. So we welcome everybody to join. And we also want to announce that this event is for everyone. This is free. Then that is the occasion. So itulah occasion. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, occasion itu event juga.
Acara.
Kayak gitu. Acara. Yeah, special occasion can be special moment or event, right?
Hmm.
Nah, nanti kalau emang does not work with the practice, kita akan coba masuk ke materi. Nah, kalau working with the practice, kita akan praktek terus. Tapi dari cara Miss Evina menjawab, saya rasa untuk dapatin nilai WHV sudah jauh di atas rata-rata. Tetapi untuk S2 ke luar negeri, Miss Evina, ini masih di kriteria hampir tidak lulus. Tapi untuk S2 ya, untuk WHV jauh di atas rata-rata. Banget. Tapi kalau untuk S2 minimal nilai yang diperlukan adalah 6.5 to 7, and I think 6 to 7 will be so much a safe spot for everyone to get to a master degree or PhD.
7 itu udah bagus.
7 itu sangat bagus, Miss Evina. Itu 6,5 Asia, Australia, UK, US, and some part of the outside of Indonesian semuanya udah open. Apalagi kayak Thailand, the Philippines, Malaysia, and Brunei. Mereka cuma perlu 6.0 kalau untuk S2. Ada bahkan S3 juga 6.0 ke 6,5. 7 itu udah semua dunia sudah nerima banget gitu.
Proof.
Tapi beda dengan yang memang mau ngambil applied linguistics. Misalnya kayak kami kan akan mempelajari bahasanya. Jadi kami mengambil tes bahasanya dan akan mengambil lagi S2 atau S3 terkait linguistiknya. Jadi itu biasa 7,5 atau 7 kayak gitu Miss Elvina. Karena dia akan belajar yang dia ambil itu gitu. Jadi beda. Nah, orang-orang umum beda. Dokter akan dibedain. Nggak mungkin juga kan dokter diminta minimal 7,5. Gila. 4 tahun itu kayaknya preparationnya Miss Evina.
Tapi kalau kalau S2 gitu ambilnya ya akademi ya?
Iya betul, academic IELTS.
Oke.
Nah, jadi bukan yang GT,
General.
not general training. Memang general training akan terdengar sedikit mudah untuk beberapa reading, listening, dan lain-lain. Tapi yang memang pembeda secara signifikan adalah hanya pada reading dan writing. Yang duanya speaking dan listening more or less the same. Atau beberapa orang di Indonesia bilang so-so. Saya so-so juga nggak tahu dari mana itu bahasa so-so itu sebenarnya. Okay, next, Miss Evina. Part 2, we have the test practice. Describe a special day that you have experienced. Nah, di sini saya akan berikan Miss Evina sekitar 1-2 menit untuk menjabarkan secara tertulis, baik di notepad-nya atau di kertas kalau ada bawa pulpen dan kertas. 1 menit sampai 2 menit buat prepare. Lalu setelah itu Miss Evina akan presentasi. Kalau bisa, harapan saya presentasinya seperti ini. Alright, thank you for the time. My name is Evina, or nggak usah pakai nama karena di IELTS ya, langsung aja ke today I'm going to present about a special day that I have experienced. So it was a special event for me that I did 2 years ago. Nah, kayak gitu. Jadi lanjut sampai terakhir, kasih closing. I think that is all about my special experience. So thank you very much. Nah, kalau bisa kayak gitu itu 7 plus, Miss Evina. Target kita kan kalau bisa bagus, mengapa harus jelek? Kalau bisa mudah, mengapa harus susah? Kan dengan orang Indonesia pada umumnya, kalau bisa mudah, mengapa kalau bisa susah, mengapa harus mudah, Miss Evina? Okay, that's the thing. Yeah, take your time. I'm going to wait for 2 minutes.
Special day.
Whenever you're ready, Miss Evina, just tell me, Mister, I'm ready. I'm ready to present. Jadi saya akan langsung kasih stage for you untuk present.
Okay.
Okay. Is it the sound of frog in your house, Miss Evina?
What?
Is it the sound of frog in your house, or there is no like I hear something, or maybe it's in here. I'm sorry. It's not there. I'm sorry. All right, go. Yeah, just go.
Okay, Mister.
All right, great. So whenever you're ready, just go with the presentation, Miss Evina.
Okay, I'm ready.
Wait a minute. Let me turn on your camera. All right. So whenever you're ready, just try to present because I'm not going to stop you. At least the time is up. Okay.
Okay.
The time and do your best. Yeah, the stage is yours.
Okay, today I will present my experience for the when I'm hiking. I'm hiking for the first time at in the Gragal Mountain in the location in the Mojokerto, East Java, of course. And I hiking on the Saturday and Monday. And the weather there is sunny day. And I hiking with my friends I member for girlfriend and for boyfriend. On the hiking, when I'm hiking, we also feel happy, and when when I am on the mountain peak, we are taking picture and enjoy the view. Yeah. Sometimes when I'm hiking on the rainy day, but in the
Go on, go on. I know it's hard sometimes to present, but you're doing great. For the first try, I think that's already great, Miss Evina. Is that all? Please, if you think that that is actually all, you can say, I think that is all from me. Yeah, I think that is all from me, not
Okay.
for me, but from me. So
From
people
me.
know, ya, karena kebanyakan presenter itu kayaknya segitu dulu untuk saya. No, segitu dulu dari saya. Itu yang benar.
I
Okay,
think
so I think that
that's
bentar saya
enough from
tulisin
me.
tapi salah. Boleh juga. I think that's enough for me. You can say for me kalau yang itu ya.
Yeah.
That is enough for me. Nah, ini berbeda dengan I think that is all. That is all from me. Which means you have done presenting. And itu closing yang paling simple untuk dapatin nilai juga bagus. Dan sebagai presenter, I think most of the cases we do need to have closings. Jadi harus ada closing sedikit sehingga kita tahu oh itu sudah selesai kayak gitu Miss Evin. Okay. Good. So maybe which one do you want to choose? I give you two choices. I think that is enough for me, or I think that is all from me.
I think that is enough for me.
Okay. Right. Thank you very much, Miss Evina. Sudah mengadres beberapa topik yang kita memang mau untuk address. Pertama, you say what the day was, and you said you went hiking. You went hiking on Saturday, and you come back, or maybe you've done with the activity on Monday. Is that right? Okay. So you said also about who was there with you, and you said you went there with your boyfriend. Is that right?
I mean the eight member for girlfriend and boyfriend.
Okay, girlfriends and boyfriends.
Bener gak?
Pasti maksud Evina, pasti maksud Miss Evina adalah teman laki-laki dan teman perempuan, betul?
Ya.
Ya, bukan seperti itu, Miss Evina. Itu artinya pacar laki-laki dan pacar perempuan. Nah, jadi
beda.
kalau Miss Evina bilang I went there with my girlfriend, meaning something else happening, right? When, for example, I said I went to Karimunjawa with my boyfriend, people would think, okay, you like male or female, like that. You can say male friend or female friends.
Oh,
okay?
male and female.
Right, male and female friends.
Okay.
Okay, good. And yeah, and you took photos, you saw the views, you enjoyed the view at that time, right, Miss
Yeah.
Sabrina? So what was the name of the mountain again?
Gragal Mountain.
Gra what? I'm sorry.
Gregal.
Grogol.
Gragal. Yeah. Gragal. Gragal in Indonesian is batuan.
Oh, okay. Grogol Mountain. Okay. Where was that located? Where is that located?
The location in the Mojokerto.
Mojokerto.
Pacet, tahu nggak, Mister?
Pacitan?
Pacet aja.
Pacet aja. I don't think I know.
Ya, situlah pokoknya.
All right. So maybe if we search on the internet, we will find the place, right? The exact place for that. Right. Thank you so much. And what was happening is that you also explained that there is going to be a plus marking points for you, Miss Evina. Langsung ada marknya di situ. Sudah dikasih tahu juga kalau Miss Evina bilang pergi dengan teman-teman dan apa yang dia lakukan di atas juga ada sedikit penjelasannya. Lalu how did you feel about that, right? Sudah Miss Evina bilang ketika sampai di puncak, we were very happy, right? Because maybe you were seeing something or enjoying the view, so that's why you felt happy. Was that tiring, Miss Evina?
Apa?
Was that tiring?
Sharing.
Tired.
Tiring.
Tiring melelahkan.
Heeh.
Ya, was that tiring? Apakah aktivitas itu yang tadinya Miss Evina lakukan melelahkan atau tidak?
Of
Hiking.
course.
Of course.
Mhm.
So you can say that was tiring, but that was really fun.
Oke.
Ya. Jadi ada compound sentence yang dipakai menggunakan but. Itu akan mendapatkan nilai lebih tinggi, yang dimana Miss Evina menyatakan positif dulu lalu negatif setelah itu. Atau negatif dulu baru positif setelah itu. Misalnya, the flight was long but I enjoyed along the way. Jadi penerbangannya panjang tapi saya enjoy sih sepanjang penerbangan. Nah, itu akan dapat poin sedikit lebih tinggi untuk dapatin 7.0, Miss Evina. Okay. Good.
Mau tanya, Kak.
So, oke, silakan.
Kalau misal waktu praktek speaking masih ada gitu?
Oke. Secara bahasa fillers namanya, pengisi. Jadi kita bisa gantikan dengan fillers yang lebih formal, Miss Evina. Misalnya ya, salah satunya, kalau saya tidak tahu idenya, saya akan bilang, okay, this is interesting questions for me, and I believe I would say, nah, di situ saya belum jawab. Di situ saya sama sekali belum jawab. Tapi saya bilang, saya percaya saya akan bilang bahwa, nah, jadi kayak ada filler pengisi sementara, atau kalau bingung, Miss Evina bisa pakai what I am trying to say is that, kayak gitu. Pasti yang aku mau sampaikan adalah, nah, atau what I meant is, nah, jadi kayak gitu, Miss Evina. Itu ada namanya fillers. Nanti Miss Evina dapatnya di bagian sini ya, Miss Evina. Sebentar. I think they are closing, so yeah, we just need some minutes, I believe. Yeah, 8:30 will be done, and let's see. This one. Nah, di sini Miss Evina bisa explore namanya fillers. Nah, seperti that interesting, how did that happen? Atau I know what you mean. Atau to be honest with you, I cannot answer this question, but let me try. Nah, jadi di bagian home, terus bagian speaking class, Miss Evina.
Ya.
Nanti linknya bisa saya kirim sih. Misalnya confidence and fluency. Nah, di sini bisa banyak. Okay, what I am trying to say is that, nah, let me rephrase this, or give me a second to think. Nah, ini formal dan bagus banget buat dipakai, Miss Evina. Jadi, ya, to put it simply, atau bisa dibilang, untuk bilang secara simple sih, aku gini, gitu. Jadi kalau dikasih dua pilihan, if I had to choose, nah, jadi kalau saya diharuskan untuk memilih, aku lebih pilih Inggris daripada Amerika, seperti itu. Jadi penjelasan lanjutan setelah itu, Miss Evina. Oke. Nah, ini bisa dipakai juga untuk confidence and fluency, dan itu normal banget untuk bilang no problem, sama sekali. Oke. Kalau kita lanjut part 3, I think we will not have time for that one, tapi kita punya sedikit untuk part 3 yang terkait dengan activities. Ya kan, sebentar, Miss Evina, this is the last for us. Let's see. Oke. Nah, ini kalau part 3 ini dia harus sejalan. Atau saya modify aja ininya ya, modify the question. Miss Evina, I'm going to modify the questions by asking you more on follow-up questions. So, right. Could you please tell me how people in Indonesia enjoy their special occasion? Right. Misal questionnya kayak gitu tuh. Can you explain me how Indonesian people enjoy their special occasions?
Special occasion like the New Year?
Yeah, You can say that.
And because Indonesian mayoritas in the religion Islam, favorite occasion like it fit
Eid Fitri, Eid Adha, you
Eid
can.
Fitri,
Mhm.
like Eid Adha,
Yeah.
something like that.
That's great. So, what about hiking, Miss Savina? How do people, my English, how do people in Indonesian explore the mountains?
People Indonesian explore mountain, in my opinion, because the view, and enjoy the survive to mountain peak.
All right, got it. So, practicing survival skills,
Mm-mm.
right? So we have limited supplies for water, we have limited supplies for food. Then we need to manage until we arrive at the peak of the mountain. Is that what
Yeah.
you're trying to say? That's great. That's great, Miss Savina. Then, talking about the supply that you have when you were hiking, did you bring lots of food or lots of supplies when you do hiking, Miss Evina?
If I hiking, when I am hiking, I uh, camping. I doing the camping. Of course, I supply food, the water and rice, egg, and snack.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
that's great. So yes, penyebutannya juga pas karena kadang orang bilang snacks jadi snake, snake is actually ular, dan snacks is of course cheeky, makanan-makanan ringan, right? Snacks, not snakes, but snakes more on cobra, the king cobra or something like stuff. We call that snake, right? So this one is snacks. Nice. And right, I think that is the end of the part 3, Miss Evina. Do you have any questions about the part 1, part 2, part 3? Because sometimes part 3 required to speak longer, tapi di sini Miss Evina sedikit agak pendek ya part 3-nya.
yeah,
Diharap mungkin
yeah itu.
bisa menyentuh ke di atas 30 detik, Miss Evina. Misalnya ya,
Yeah.
as you said, since I wanted to go for hiking, is that just because I want to enjoy the view, and I think we need to camp there at the peak of the mountain, and I believe to bring lots of supplies will be so much beneficial for our journey. And one of the key supplies that we brought or we need to bring is that the rice, water, enough water for everyone, and some breads and some snacks, and that's how we survive. So we also practice survival skills to appreciate everyone because I believe everyone is tiring as well. Then that's the way how I explain to you to these questions. Thank you very much. Dan, nah seperti itu kan, nah kalau gitu dapat 8 sih. Maksudnya jangan ekspektasinya kalau bisa
Yeah,
nyentuh di
yeah,
sebagian situ. Jadi itu untuk contoh bagusnya. Gitu.
yeah.
Ya, seperti itu. Pokoknya speaking
I
akan
will try.
paling seru sebagai dalam preparation IELTS, dan kebanyakan siswa memang merasa speaking jadi aktivitas paling seru sebenarnya dibanding IELTS yang lain, skill-skill yang lain, Miss Evina. Jadi kalau nanti masuk ke writing, saya mau Miss Evina dalam kondisi terbaiknya, because tahu bakalan pusing banget di writing, jadi saat menulis nanti, terutama part 2, karena part 2 saya rasa belum menjelaskan juga, part 1 belum menjelaskan secara detail. So I think next time I'll be asking you about your conditions before we get started with the writing part 1 and part 2.
Okay.
So that is going to be from my for you, from my reflections. What about you? Do you have something to expect in the future, Miss Evina?
Untuk selanjutnya tulisnya.
Oke, untuk selanjutnya, I'm sorry, what was the question?
Maksudnya kita selanjutnya tuh apa? Mempelajari apa?
Writing, menulis.
Oke,
Menulis part 1 dan part 2 sebagai ideas brainstorming. Jadi kita mungkin brainstorming ide dulu, Miss Evina. Baru
praktek ya, Kak?
Baru praktek, betul. Jadi nggak langsung jumping ke praktek.
Oke.
Karena juga nggak efektif banget kalau kayak gitu.
Oke.
Right. So that's all for me, Miss Evina. Thank you very much for having me tonight. And what about you? Do you have any other things to say?
I feel so good.
You feel so good with the speaking practice, Miss
Yeah.
Evina? Yeah, we have to do it more later on, okay? When we
Uh,
finish all the part,
ya awalnya underestimate sih, kayaknya aku nggak bisa deh.
nggak mampu. Contohnya justru untuk dapat yang dimana kriteria 4,5 udah jauh banget di kriteria di atas itu, Miss Evina. Iya, 4,5 IELTS itu kan functional. Functional itu dia mampu menjelaskan sesuatu yang memang di topik yang dia familiar aja. Bahkan nggak bisa lanjut, hanya beberapa kata doang. Nah, tapi kalau secara Miss Evina di sini, I think more on the belum kompeten, tapi sudah hampir masuk ke vocational skills, yang dimana akan dipakai sebagai mampu. Kalau orang nanya nggak banyak repetition,
Ya.
penjelasan juga oke. Dan saya rasa untuk beberapa pertemuan ke depan sudah bisa dapat 5,5 atau 6, Miss Evina. Untuk speaking ya,
Ya.
yang lain belum bisa dipastikan. Kita pastikan lagi untuk yang listening dan reading,
Okay.
Miss Evina.
I will try.
All right, do your best for the next meeting. I think that is all from me for tonight. The cafe is closing. I think they're waiting for me to go home. And okay, thank you very much for having me tonight, Miss Evina.
Testing English course, where preparation meets performance.